Okay, Alyssa, and whoever else hears this, here's the iProject in a nutshell. Here is our thesis statement, where this job will be the job you choose, the mobile device is the one you will choose for the job, and each of your points will consist of two things. First, it will consist of a task from the job that you've just chosen, and then you'll have to explain how the mobile device will help a person complete that task. These will be your main points in your essay. Notice I said points, not paragraphs. So once you have your 3 points, you have your descriptions, you have your device chosen, there are ways to write these paragraphs, and there are ways to write these points. And the first way is to split your points up into 2 paragraphs, where the first paragraph, body paragraph, you have a description of the job. Then if it's a complex job description, it's going to take a paragraph to do this. Number 2, your second paragraph will explain how this mobile device you've chosen will help the person complete this task. If the description of the job task is simple, say like taking inventory or scheduling employees, then you could write the description of the job and how the mobile device will help you complete that task in the same paragraph. So let's go back. Each of these major points will be the body of your paragraph, will be in the body of your paragraph. Each point contains 2 parts. The description of the task from the job, and an explanation of how the mobile device will help a person complete that task. Now, how do you write these into body paragraphs? Well, the first way is to split them up into a paragraph each, like I mentioned before. And the second way is just to put it all in one paragraph. Now, there is a warning, of course. Don't just try to put everything in one paragraph. It's not going to help you at all. If you find that your description of the job task is complex, then you need 2 paragraphs. If you find your description of the job task is very simple, then all you need is 1 paragraph, as this one shows. There are 2 requirements for this essay. First one, you'll need to add images to your essay. So this is where you can actually show images that will help you build up or support some of your technological language, because some of your language won't make sense if you're just using numbers. What's the difference between 2 gigahertz and 3 gigahertz? Your reader is not going to understand that, but if you show a graph like that, then it works perfectly. Next, if you choose to use an app as part of helping the person use it complete a task, you can only use 1 app in your paper, only 1. Don't give me a paper with an app for each paragraph. Not good. And so far, that's about it for these paragraphs. I'm going to put examples online for you so you can look at that and go over this again. But this is it in a nutshell. When you get back next week, we can talk about these more, because we're going to talk about paragraphs more. And that is about it.